असत्यम अप्रतिष्ठम ते जगद आहुर अनीश्वरम अपरस्पर संभूतम किमन्यत कामहैतुकम. This is from Bhagavad Gita, 16th chapter, shloka number 8. The translation is, they say that this world is unreal, that there is no foundation and that there is no God. It is produced of sex desire and has no cause other than lust. So if you are speaking on Bhagavad Gita or any other spiritual matter, the general idea of atheistic principle is that there is no God. Because in the name of God, there are a lot of atrocities which are being happening. If there was God, God should have come in front and He should have helped them. So there is no God. So who speaks like this? There is no God. So in the 16th chapter, Krishna is giving qualities of Sura Asura Janaha. So in that people who are having no faith on God, so if you ask how creation is happening, they are saying that it is asatyam, because this world itself is not real, that there is no foundation and there is no God in control. See, there are many things which happen in life and we see that it is happening without my control. So what is happening without your control? Then if there is so much of problems, if God can help us, there is no cause, there is no effect, no controller, no purpose. So why should we believe in God? So they say this cosmic manifestation, how it has come? It is just because of action and reaction. And they do not think that the world was created by God. So for them there is no difference between spirit and matter. So according to them everything is void, and whatever manifestation exists, it is existing due to our ignorance. So this is what they say. So they say life is a dream. You should enjoy the dream instead of thinking that there is sin, there is good and bad. Because whatever is good for you is bad for me, and whatever is bad for me may be good for you. So one man's food is another man's poison. So sometimes it is said, it is better ignorance is bliss. It is folly to be wise. Why? Because if you know something is true, if you feel that now there is God, or after this life I have to again take birth, or again I have done so much of activities, I may have to suffer. It's better than if we say there is no God, there is no accountability, so I can do whatever I like. This is called rabbit philosophy. Or a cat. Rabbit, what it does is, when there is some animal which comes to attack it, it will close the eyes and sit silent. Same thing with a cat which is drinking milk also in the kitchen. It is closing its eyes and it is drinking. When somebody comes to beat it also, it thinks that if I close my eyes, then the problem is resolved. So there are some more animals, like one bird which is that owl. Owl always closes its eyes. Owl is not as wise as it is spoken in the stories. If you ask him to open the eyes, there is sun now, you please open the eyes, you see Mr. Owl, So Mr. Owl doesn't want to see the sunlight. So people who don't want to see sunlight, what will you show him?